Now, let's try to note this phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S4. You can look at the box. It is the same as the original one, Samsung Galaxy S4. Galaxy S4. It is the original box of the Samsung. You can see it's 1-to-1 copy of the original ones. So this is the high performance phone. And then now let's open the box. You will see this is the phone. The Samsung Galaxy S4. It is the same. The 5-inch touch screen IPS. And then we take off the screen sticker, and you can see this is a slim phone. It's only 7.9 millimeters. You can see it's 1-to-1 copy. Now let's press the button to open this phone. Just need to wait. You will see the system is the same. Now you can see the volume buttons and the power button. And this is the headphone and the USB. Now you can see this is the phone. It's all the same as the Samsung. We need to change the original. Now let's try to take some functions like the famous gesture sensing function. Our phone also has the function. You can see now we need to open the AnTuTu software to check the hardware of the phone. Now you can see this phone is the CPU is MTK 6589 and the resolution is the same as the Samsung S4. And then the system is Android 4.22. This phone can get a 28,195 points in the AnTuTu. Now let's change the language to the Spanish. This is thousands of languages support. Then you can see Spanish. Open AnTuTu. Information. Oh, this language does not support AnTuTu. Now, okay. You will see this is support multi-languages. And then let's change to the English. Now you can see. Okay, this is support campus. Now you will see electronic campus. Okay. Then let's open the camera. You can see the picture is so clear. Okay, now let's try some other functions. And this phone is support multi-languages and the Google Store, Google Play Store. Now you can see this is the Google Play Store. To add a new account, so I don't get it. And then this is the same as the Samsung system. Okay, that's all. Power of the button. "5" Now look at the box, what contains indeed. And another one original battery and the headphones. And the USB baselines, a European charger. That's all contains in the box. Okay, this is the end.